We've been talking buttonholes on the BERNINA 570 Quilters Edition, and in that section is also eyelets. So if you scroll down a little bit past where you sew buttons on to stitch 61 and stitch 62, these are built-in one-use eyelet stitches. And I've actually have the foot number 20 on so you can see how they look. They can be altered in length, so if you want it to be actually more oval, look at that, that's super easy. Push clear to put it back, and same with the circles. You can make that much smaller or ovalish also. So whatever size of circle you want to stitch, it's just a one-time stitch. I love to use these in our Stitching Cosmos online course, where we might use them to weave something a little bit smaller than ribbon in, like we do with our buttonholes, where we might take more of a cord or a decorative cord that we could run through, and it makes it super easy. So all we have to do is have a starting place, step on the foot control. Here's the straight stitch eyelet, and done. And it actually stops for you. You can use the little scissor button to cut it, and you have a perfect circle stitched. And then here, if we are looking to do the satin stitch 1, again, we'll just do it at the default setting, that it goes around. This is really easy to like poke a hole with just like the tip of your scissors, and it's really that easy. Now, I don't have stabilizer underneath here, and I probably should. So if your eyelet doesn't turn out perfect, remember you can go into the eye for information, touch the balance feature, and then if your eyelet turns out a little bit funky, you can actually kind of reshape it, and it will turn and make it come back together perfectly, because every fabric's a little bit different. Definitely check out our video for balance. We'll put that up in this top right corner up here, and you can see how to adjust the balance for any stitches that don't come all the way back to where they started as perfect as they should. But try out the stitches. Remember, if you're making your stitch book, stitch out all your buttonholes, and you're going to love when you get to stitch number 61 and 62 on this machine. We have lots of creative options for you in that BERNINA Stitching Cosmos online course. So if learning more about your machine is something that you're interested in, click those links below this YouTube video and go watch some of those videos you can preview for free. You don't even have to have a login, so give it a try. I hope to see you in class soon.